Hello, good day. This is Dr. Don Charles. Welcome to my course, E-commerce with WordPress. In today's lecture, we will cover a lot of content. We will cover logging into Bluehost. Bluehost is the website that will give us our hosting. Not only that, we'll be able to access WordPress through Bluehost. We'll also cover logging in with Printful. We need to install WooCommerce, Woolenta, and the Astra theme. We will connect our WooCommerce to Printful. This will be done from WordPress. We will set up our payments and we'll add products. So we are on Bluehost website. So go to this website address, www.bluehost.com. Now, when we go to Bluehost, we have to sign up. So click here. Now, these are the different plans offered. We have a basic plan, a plus plan, a choice plus, and a pro plan. I mean, I'm not advertising for Bluehost, so I'm not going to tell you choose one plan over the other. I'm just saying that the plan I used was this plan here, because I mean, with this plan here, I can create unlimited websites, I have unlimited storage. I got a free domain. I got free Office 365. I got free automated backup also. So I mean, I just choose this plan here, but you could choose whatever plan that you are interested in and what is most comfortable for you. So just click this. When you click this, you have to put in your domain name and then you have to press next and so forth, but I'm not going through this. I already have Bluehost. So what I'll do, I'll log in. So I'm going backwards. I'm going to click here. Here you type in your domain name and here I'll type in your password. I'll just log in. Now, what I like about Bluehost is that it's the mere fact that when you get Bluehost, when I sign up for Bluehost, you get WordPress installed. You see, this is the icon, WordPress. You can modify, create, you can build your website with WordPress. So this comes by default with Bluehost. So when we are inside Bluehost, we need to click here, My Sites. Now, as you can see, I have sites already. So what I'll do here, I'll click here, Add Site. I have 3 websites already, so I'll create a new site, Add Site, because this site I'll be creating will be the e-commerce store. Create new site. Now we could use this Bluehost website builder, which is an easy drag and drop builder, but we are not using this builder. We're going to use this builder because we have unlimited customization in this builder. So here you type in your site name. I'm just going to put in any name. So let's call the site Best Clothes, but of course you can call the site whatever you want. So this is just a tagline. Usually when you're creating a website, you'll be required to put this website name and you'll be required to put the tagline, like a catchphrase. So I just created a random catchphrase. We offer the best clothing, but of course, when you're building your website, you can choose whatever catchphrase that you deem appropriate. Okay, so we are required, this is our login details. So it's advisable that you save the information here. So I'll just highlight all this information here and save it. I'll save this in Microsoft Word. All right, going back to login with WordPress. So this is WordPress here, and this is the dashboard here. So you see here, when you click this area here, we can visit the website. Of course, this is how the website will look by default. There's no theme, there's no settings. We just have everything just raw. There's no formatting. It's just plain. So we'll have to customize the website, insert pages, themes, and we have to make it look nice. But we'll do that later on through this course. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to get started. So you have here the home, themes, plugins, services. So this is just the basic information here. We have media. So when you want to insert video and so forth, video and images, we can do all this through the media library. We can create pages here. Now, comments. Now, WordPress was originally a website to facilitate blogging, and it allowed people to blog and post comments and so forth. So this is just an old feature. And although WordPress has evolved in the sense that WordPress can now be used to facilitate or help design any type of website, nevertheless, the comments, this old feature here still remains. So you have creative mail, WP forms. Now, this is very good because I have seen some versions of WordPress where this WP forms was not installed by default. So you actually had to also go and install WP forms. WP forms is important for you to create forms. Like if you want to create a form, like let's say a contact form where the user types in information and then sends you an email, you have to be able to create a form to do that. Plugins is where you install plugins. Now, users, this is where you can create different users accounts. You are a user, you are the administrator. If you want to have support staff, like different workers and so forth, and assign to work on different sections of the website, you can create new users here. Tools, you can create tools, settings. Here's where you can adjust the settings of the website. Search engine optimization. This is where you can tweak the settings for search engine optimization. So if you want to rank your website higher on Google, you can go in here and adjust these settings. But we're not going to go in all these things in detail today. So the next thing we'll do is go to Printful and sign up. So we're on Printful here. This is the website, www.printful.com. So we'll have to sign up. So you'll go here and click sign up. And then you have to sign up with your email. So I'm just clicking this here for you to see what it will look like. Now I already have a Printful store. So for me to actually go and type in this information doesn't make any sense. What I have to do is log in. So I'll go back. I'll click here, sign in. And I'll just sign in. So when you go to Printful, you see here the dashboard. You can see this area here highlighted, my Printful. And these are the steps that you need to go through. Now, I have been on Printful for some time now, so I already went through all these steps already. But these are the steps you have to go through. Sign up for Printful, confirm your email address. So when you sign up, they will send you an email address. You'll have to actually go in your email, see the email that I sent you, and then click confirm to actually confirm or link your email address to your Printful account. That's just a standard procedure. Connect your store. Now, I already went through this step already because I actually created stores already. But in this video, I'll actually show you how to create a store. I added products already, but this is what you will need to do also. You need to add a payment method also. I'll also show you this in this video. So we went to WordPress and we need to install plugins. Now the plugins we need to install are WooCommerce and Woolenter. We also need to install the Astra themes. So let me just type in the plugins one by one. See, I type in WooCommerce and it already appeared because I searched for this plugin before and installed it. Click here, add new. Install. Then click activate. Okay, so you have to go through these steps. So just fill in this information here. My country, Trinidad, Tobago. No thanks. I don't want to share any kind of information. That's unnecessary. What products do I want to sell? I want to sell fashion. Let's click this, yeah. Look at health products. Look this. I don't plan to sell food. I don't plan to sell furniture. I don't plan to sell educational stuff. Now I just click these 3 areas there, but I really plan to sell only like clothing. Hence the reason why this store is called Best Clothes. What type of products will be listed? Physical products. Okay, let's look at customizable products. Okay. I don't have any products yet. Just click this. Currently selling anyway. No. Okay, yes, click everything. So we want to make sure we have all these things clicked. Choose a theme. Okay, so these are this is a free theme. This is a free theme, but this is a paid, these are paid themes. You know, I used this theme before. Let's choose this. Choosing this theme this time. Okay, yes, yes, click yes. So WooCommerce is already installed here. Just gonna click next, next, next. We're going to ignore this for now. The next thing we'll do is install next plugin. We're going to install WooLenter. Why are we going to install WooLenter? When we actually go into the design of the website and we want to actually create featured products and so forth, we will actually need WooLenter. So we install WooLenter one time. Activate. So here we can see the apps that already are installed. Bluehost, Facebook, WooCommerce, WooLenter. All right. The next thing we need to install is the Astra theme. So I think we have to go to appearances. Yes, appearance, themes. Add new theme. You click this one, install. And you have to click here, activate. All right, so we have installed the Astra theme, we have installed WooLenter, we have installed WooCommerce. You see, we have WooCommerce right here. So the next thing to do is to start to connect our store. So what we need to do, we go to here, choose platform, choose WooCommerce. All right, so the first thing we need to do is need to head over to SiteGround website, choose hosting plan. We already do this. Okay, we need to go back here and change. We need to adjust the API. We need to go into WooCommerce here. I think. We have to adjust the API legacy. Yeah. Click advanced. Yes, in legacy API. We need to go here to legacy API. And this must be clicked. You have to make sure this is enabled and then click here, save changes. Then I think we have to go to settings and go to permalinks. And it must be clicked and must be set at here, post name. Plain must not be clicked. It must be clicked at here, post name. Then click save changes. So now that these two things are done, we need to go and install the Printful app. So we need to go back to plugins. You see this name already appeared because I installed Printful before. Install Printful. Install it. So Printful is installed here. Now we have to click activate. All right, so Printful has been successfully installed. We click here now. Now, the next thing we have to do is to connect our WooCommerce store to Printful. So you go here and click connect. Mind you, this will only work if API legacy has been enabled and we have adjusted the settings in permalinks. If we have not adjusted the settings in permalinks and if API legacy has not been enabled, this will not work. So make sure you had gone to the settings first and adjusted the permalinks, and make sure you have gone to WooCommerce, you went to advanced, and then you adjusted the API legacy and make sure it's enabled. So now click here, connect. Now, this email address must coincide and must match the email address on your Printful store. If the two email addresses don't match, it will not work. So I'm just making sure that you are aware of this. Click approve. All right, so you already have an account, continue to your account. Continue. Connect store. All right, so we can add a product one time. Our store has been connected, so you can add a product one time, but I think I want to set payments one time. All right, my information has already been connected. So this would be what will be required to do. You're required to click the store here and then go down here and select billing method, but I already have this signed up here. So I mean, this is just a simple step. You just go here and choose a billing method, but I already choose PayPal. So the next thing to do is go to the store. Let's view the store. Press close. So now let's add a product. Let's just choose a random product. Let's just choose a t-shirt. Let's choose this shirt. Why we are choosing this shirt? Because this shirt is cheap. This shirt is $7.95. So, I mean, if you're using this shirt, this will only cost you $7.95, roughly $8. And you can easily mark up this to $20. So this could give you an easy profit. So you can sell this at a low price and still make a profit. So let's choose this shirt. And when you choose Printful, you'll be required to actually put in some designs. So let's click here. Add clip art. Now you can add a design here, but I'm just going to choose a random design. I'm just going to choose an emoji. So I selected an emoji here. So the next thing to do is to adjust the size. So if you choose embroidery, logo will come here. But if you choose print, the logo will go in center. Okay, we will choose a print. We're not going to choose an embroidery. Go back to design. Go back to add clip art. Back to the emoji. You'll adjust the size of the emoji. Then click here, proceed to mockups. Proceed to details. So this is the product title, but I don't leave this product title, but like the default settings. I usually tweak these settings. So I'll put best. The reason why I put in best because our store is named Best Clothes. So I mean, this is just marketing. So best short sleeve shirt, short sleeve unisex t-shirt. Okay, so we can't choose a product category from here. So we need to choose uncategorize here. But when you go to your store, you need to actually type in your product category. Proceed to pricing. Now, Printful is telling you that you should charge between $11 and $15 for this product. But I do not want to charge $11 for this product because I mean, if this product is costing you roughly $8 and you sell this for $11, you're only making $3 in profit. I want to sell this for $20. I'll make $12 in profit. So I mean, once I sell once, I'll make twice the amount of money that I put out. Now, the excellent thing about using Printful is that you do not hold any inventory. You do not have to buy the products in order to sell the products. You sell the products first, and after you sell the products, then an order goes to Printful, and they will print the product, and they will send the product to your customer. So essentially, Printful is a drop shipping store then. So when you connect your store to Printful, this allows you to more or less act as the advertiser, meaning that you will pitch this to your customer, say that, hey, I have this product to sell, and this is what the products look like, and this is the product cost. When the consumer buys your product, you get the money, you get paid. After you get paid, the order goes to Printful. Printful now fulfill the order in the sense that they will now be responsible to ship the item to your customer. And when they do that, Printful will then bill you. They will bill you the cost of the item. So the cost of the item in this context here was $7.95. They will bill you $7.95 per item. And when they do that, this will be deducted from your account with Printful. So I mean, this is a very good business model. You have absolutely no risk. I'll put $25 for this one. You have absolutely no risk and you can make money. So I mean, yeah, this is very good. I'll put $25 for this one also. Click submit to store. So when we click submit to store, this will be automatically redirected back to your store on WordPress. So I mean, yeah, I could wait for this product to load, but I'm not going to pay attention. I'll just add a next product. I'll add 8 products. The reason why I'm adding 8 products because I want to show when I'm actually designing the website, I want to show how the different products will appear when you click featured products. So I'm just adding 8 products for now. Let's choose men clothing, tank tops. I didn't even look at the price of this item. Okay. Add product. Men clothing. Tank tops. $14. Okay. This is the cheapest one. This is $14.95. So this is roughly $15. This is roughly $24. This is roughly $14.25. This is roughly $16. So we want to buy the products at the lowest possible cost because this is all about making profit. So we have revenue and we have costs. The difference in revenue and cost is the profit. If the revenue is greater than the cost, it will give us a positive profit, meaning that we will make money. If the revenue is less than the cost, it will give us a deficit. So we will not make money, we will lose money. And we don't want that. We don't want to lose money. We want to make money. So we'll buy this. Why are we choosing this? Because the cost of this was roughly $14. And if we buy this at $14 and sell it at $25, I mean, we can make an easy profit right there. We can make roughly an $11 profit. So, I mean, yeah, I could just do that. I'm just adding the emoji, but when you are designing your store, you could choose whatever design that you want. Click proceed to markups. See the pricing. Okay, so you have to sell this at $25. Actually, this is a very, yeah, we sell this at $25. The cost of the item is $13.05. Printful was recommended. We sell it at $19.15. But I mean, I want to make a better profit than that. So you put $25. Nothing too expensive because we want the product to be affordable so people can buy the product. Okay, put $30 for this one. So I'm at the store. Let's consider a hoodie. Okay, add. And this is what I like about Printful in the sense that when you're choosing a product and choosing certain products in a product category, sometimes they suggest products for you that you could potentially sell them. Oh, this product is expensive. So we can't sell this for $39. We can't sell this for $40. Yeah, I mean, 56. Yeah, you can sell it for $56. I mean, the profit margin is $16, which is good. Yeah, so you can work with that. Tie-dye, okay. Sorry, this color combination is out of stock. And this is what I like about this website also, because it tells you when products are in stock and when products are out of stock. This is out of stock, so we can't really choose this product. So if you choose embroidery, the logo will appear right here, but we don't want that. We want it to appear on the middle of the jersey. So you'll choose here, the print. You'll go to design, add clip art. Now we can actually, let's go back. Let's go back here, go to design. Now, although I have choose clip art for the past 3 examples, I want to show you how you could actually upload your own design. So click here, choose file, and you have to go and search for your design to upload. So click here, and then you browse for your file to upload. Let's just use this image here. Click cancel. Subtool. Please. All right, so the problem with this image is that although this image is appearing, this image is black and has some color here, but the t-shirt is black. So the HWC is not showing clearly. So given that, I'll remove this image because this image is not the best image for this t-shirt. So what I'll do, I'll click back and I'll choose a white t-shirt. Choose a white. Go to design, choose file. This file should be here still. Yes, click place. And now there's a better contrast. So the image text is in black. You have an image here in different colors and so forth. Your image does not meet our print requirements, scale down the image to meet the minimum requirements, or upload a new image. Okay, so like maybe, all right, so the image was outside the print area here. We made your image larger. If you want an even better print quality, please upload a larger image. And this is something that you need to be mindful of in the sense that this is a print on demand store. So the larger the image size that you are using for upload on any medium, so regardless if it's a t-shirt, if it's a pants, if it's a mug, regardless of which medium you are choosing to print the image on, the larger your image size, the more pixels it will have. And the more pixels the image have, the better quality image it will be and the better quality print it will be. So if you upload an image that is very large and has a lot of pixels, you will get a good quality print and this will look very good. However, if you upload an image and it is small, it has a very low amount of pixels, then the image will Printful will print it and it will come out. However, you mightn't get the quality that you want because the image was small. Now, the printer is not at fault. The fault is you in the sense that you should upload a better quality image. So this is your responsibility. Your responsibility when you're running your print-on-demand e-commerce store is to ensure that when you upload images to your product for printing, you make sure that you upload images that have a very high, that has a lot of pixels, it has a very good resolution, so that when you print in, you'll print an image that will look very good, it will look crisp, and it will be overall a good quality print. Remember, you're doing this as a business, you're doing this to sell to customers, and customers want to buy products that are good. They want to buy the best products. Your store is named Best Products, and you want to sell the best products. So, I mean, if you want to sell the best products, your products must look good. If products don't look good, well, customers will not be satisfied. And if they are not satisfied, they might not want to continue buying from your store. So this is just some advice for you. This is just some business advice. Proceed to mockups. Proceed to details. Proceed to pricing. $20. Let's charge $20 for this item. 20. Now, we want to be mindful of pricing. We don't want to charge much of a high price because the item was costing $12 and you selling this item for $20 here. Now, if you say we increase the price from $12 to $100, remember, you are not the only person that have a store online. There are many people operating stores and they sell almost the same product or identical products and at different prices. So if your price is too high, you'll push away customers. You will not get as much customers as you would like because, I mean, they will find your products that are too expensive. So, I mean, you need to be mindful of this. So when you're charging a markup, yes, you want to make a profit, but at the same point in time, you do not want to charge so much of a high price because if your price is too high, you'll chase away customers. Click submit to store. So I don't know how much products I have in my store right now. So let's go back and check. Click view store. Okay, out of stock. This is out of stock. All right, no problem. I have 3 products including my store now. So if you want to check, this was out of stock. So if you want to check, you go back to here, go to products, go to all products. And we can see the products that we included on our store here. So let's click view. This is what the product will look like. So this is our store here, best clothes, our cart, checkout, account, whatnot. Best youth short sleeve t-shirt. And this is similar options. Now, mind you, our site is looking plain, but we'll have to actually design our website and put in some cosmetics and make it look nice and pretty. But we won't do that in this video. We'll do that in the next video. So we have 4 products included already. Let's add 4 more. Let's update all products. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, all the products are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all the products are here. And actually has here 8 items. So these are the 8 products we have available for sale. So I'll end the video here. The next video, I'll show you how to design the website, how to actually customize the website. Because when you go to here, when you go to all pages, we see these are the pages here. So we see, when we click here, view. This is the categories here. This is all the products available for sale. But this is how the website looks. The website looks plain. I mean, best clothes. Yes, the store has a nice name, but I mean, best clothes. I mean, the website could look more pretty than this. So we'll actually use WordPress and we'll customize the website and make it look more pretty and attractive. So that when people see this website, they'll say, yeah, boy, this website looking real good. And just the mere sight of the website will make people feel so impressed that they'll be interested in buying. So I mean, we'll actually go into WordPress in the next video, and I'll show you how you can actually design and customize your website to make it look attractive for people to see your products and to help you get sales and so forth. So I'll end this video here. And in the next video, I'll show you how to design your website.